I've been asked to make a very special presentation. It is my privilege tonight, on behalf of all Landscape Ontario members, to thank our outgoing president, David Wright. When Dave began his term, he set out a vision for the association and its members, to build on our legacy to ensure a prosperous future. Dave, your presidency is one for the history books, successfully guiding LO through a pandemic. Know that your own legacy is secured. I'm delighted to welcome you to the prestigious rank of past president, where your talents and contribution will continue to benefit the entire industry. Please accept this President's Ring as a reminder of our gratitude.
Thanks, Carl. This is a great honor.